Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ayurveda Lifestyle. So in today's video, I thought I would actually go through how to prevent hair loss with some natural remedies. Now, when we actually lose our hair, it tends to go through cycles, and I tend to find it goes almost in a cycle of twice a year for me, which tends to be spring and autumn. Obviously, we're losing hair from our head every day. Over 100 hairs a day come actually through the brush, out of the brush. And if you have longer hair, for instance, it always looks more than if you have a very short hairstyle. Now, you can actually, having prevention, it can actually be accelerated, actually, the hair coming out by doing things such as actually colouring your hair and using chemicals. Also, shampoos and conditioners, which can contain all the nasties, don't even help it either, and also can make it brittle and actually make it snap. And if you colour your hair, also, again, it compromises the hair, and again, it can actually snap and break off as well, which can lead to hair loss. Now, also, diet plays a huge, big key in hair loss as well as stress. So let's go through diets first. So we can be deficient in a lot of things, but the main four things I would highly suggest to make sure that you have plenty of is iron, selenium, biotin, and also zinc. Now, those four things are major factors in hair loss. If you are deficient in any of those, they're the main four, I would actually say. But obviously, we could go on to say the B vitamins and everything else. But those four, selenium, zinc, iron, and biotin, are definitely the ones which you want to have plenty of. Now, obviously, if you have a diet in sugar and trans fats and you're quite unhealthy, again, it can come out in hair loss. But also, if you have eaten meat for a long time and then you suddenly become, say, vegetarian or vegan, your body suddenly it suddenly realizes, oh my gosh, it's something, I'm deficient now in something. So again, just make sure if you are going to be going from a meat eater to vegan, or if you're going from a meat eater to vegetarian, you just want to make sure that you're getting plenty of supplements, just so you've got enough, because your body doesn't understand. 1 minute it's having meat and next minute it isn't. So you just want to cover yourself on certain vitamins and minerals. You can go to your doctor for that, and also maybe a health advisor, or even somewhere like Holland and Barrett, a shop, a health food shop, where they may be able to advise you on the extra vitamins and minerals you need, because you don't want to be deficient. Now, also stress. Now, when we're stressed, again, you can actually have lots of hair fall when you're stressed. Also, when you're having if you've had a baby, usually around this sort of 2 or 3 month cycle after having a baby, tend to, lose lots of hair. So with stress, I would actually recommend doing exercises which are really calming. And there are some really good yoga exercises. You want things to calm down the nervous system. And things like when you're doing something such as a downward dog, that is great because you're looking down and you're getting blood circulation to the head. Again, also helps with hair loss. Now, products I would actually recommend, natural products, one would be actually aloe vera. Aloe vera is so calming and is great, and it's really good to massage these in. So if you get an aloe vera plant, cut it in half and actually scrape out the insides and place it onto your hair and give your hair a really good massage with it. Again, you're actually, as well as actually strengthening the hair on the outside, actually massaging the hair, and the head is actually helping again with blood circulation to the head and just to get everything moving so it's not stagnant. I would recommend actually, after doing any massage to the head, to actually do a lymphatic drainage release at the end, just to make sure you're getting rid of all the toxins and the waste products from the head area into the body, ready for elimination. Now, another one you can do with the stress management to help prevent hair loss is breathing. Actually, alternate nostril breathing is fantastic. Again, it calms the nervous system down, and actually it really can help prevent hair loss. Now, sometimes it's just hereditary and there's nothing we can do, but sometimes there are small things you can do, such as, which may help slightly. And another thing I would recommend would be using castor oil. Now, castor oil is amazing for the eyebrows and the eyelashes, but also if you have the places which tend to go, and I would say temples, the finest parts of your hair are on your temples, so that tends to go first. And actually applying a little bit of castor oil, I would actually recommend in the evening, would actually help as well. And then you can just wash it out in the morning when you're washing your hair. Again, this may help for helping growth and new growth. So I hope you enjoy these hints and tips. And if you want some more hints and tips on Ayurveda Lifestyle, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, I really would recommend and really would appreciate if you could actually do a thumbs up, just to help with the algorithm and just to push me out to more people. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.